I am very lucky because I have a wonderful family. My family is not very big, but we're always together. My mother is a kind and loving person. She has long, dark hair and a warm smile. She is a great cook and always makes delicious meals. My father is strong and funny. He loves to tell jokes and make us laugh. He is also very smart and helps me with my homework. I have one younger sister. She is 5 years old and has curly hair. She loves to play with her dolls and draw colorful pictures. We often go to the park together on weekends or watch movies at home. We support each other and share everything. Family is very important to me. They teach me about love, respect, and happiness. I am always happy when I am with my family.